Hello, this is Danielle from the National Weather Service New Orleans Baton Rouge Forecast Office. In this video, we'll talk about storm surge vulnerability of southeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi. Each dot on this map represents a storm surge event in the Gulf of Mexico. Since 1880, there have been only 5 storm surges of 20 feet or more in the Gulf of Mexico. On this map, they're represented by the black dots. The 2 highest storm surges on record in the Gulf occurred in roughly the same location near the Mississippi-Louisiana border. Certainly that's not a coincidence, so let's talk about why this area is so vulnerable. For starters, take a look at the shape of the coastline. You'll notice a lot of concave areas, or areas where the coast turns inward. These concave areas can result in water being funneled toward the narrowest part of the concavity. This results in a piling up of water at the apex of each funneled area where water levels will be highest. Southeast Louisiana and coastal Mississippi are also full of rivers, bayous, and other inlets. In fact, there are so many we couldn't even label them all on this map. All of these waterways allow storm surge to travel farther inland with less resistance than if it was trying to move over dry ground. Louisiana especially also has an elevation problem. Land remains low well inland from the Gulf. All of the areas shaded in red have an elevation of roughly 10 feet or lower. This low land elevation also allows water to travel farther inland. Those are just a few of the geographical factors that make southeast Louisiana and coastal Mississippi vulnerable to storm surge. Storm surge is also influenced by a number of storm-related factors, but those will be covered in a different video. The bottom line is that storm surge forecasts are very complicated. The way to stay safe from storm surge threats is to know your vulnerability and follow evacuation orders of local officials if given. For more information, you can visit the National Hurricane Center website at hurricanes.gov. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. Our handle on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube is NWS New Orleans. Finally, for the latest local forecast for southeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi, you can visit our website at weather.gov/New Orleans.